Magandang buhay sa lahat. Liz Ken update. Enrique Hill ganap na dapat abangan. Aside sa movie nito, Strange Frequencies, King of the Hill will be back in Sultan Kudarat for Kalimudan 2024 on November 21, 7 p.m. Don't miss it guys, na makita muli si Enrique Hill. Spotted din si Enrique Hill with Mateo Gudecelli and Sir Ranvel Rufino at G Studio PH. Selfie kulitan with Ken, Mateo and Sir Ranvel. Samantala, Liza Soberano, new TikTok update with his baby fur, Yuna. Endorsing Dr. Shiba. Hopi caption, as a pet parent, I only want the best for Yuna. That's why I trust Dr. Shiba and Professor Bengal. It's vet recommended and already loved by millions. I know I can count on them for Yuna's meals, keeping her happy and healthy every day. Grabe guys, pansin nyo ba? Super pretty at blooming lagi ang arahan ni Liza Soberano. Yung face nito, oh my god, super perfect talaga. Samantala, Elle Hong Kong posted Bright and Liza Soberano in their music video, Long Showers. Grabe pala, kahit sa Hong Kong, kilalang-kilala din si Bright Bachirawit. Iba din ang hatek nito sa mga viewers. Puro good vibes ang feedback ng music video na pinagsamahan nina Bright at Liza Soberano. They are very professional.